In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove guests to a Google Calendar appointment. Managing your calendar efficiently can make a huge difference in staying organized and ensuring everyone is on the same page for meetings and events. To start off, you'll want to open your Google Calendar, which you can do by visiting the Google Calendar website or through the app if you're using a mobile device. Once you're in your calendar, navigate to the specific event that you wish to update. Clicking on this event will bring up a quick view box with details about the appointment. If modifications are needed, you'll want to click on the pencil icon, typically found at the top of this quick view box. This action will take you to the event editing page. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see the Add Guests section. To add a new guest, simply type their email address into the given field. Be sure that you have the correct email to ensure your invite reaches the intended person. After entering all the desired emails, proceed to click on the Save button. Now, once you've saved the changes, a prompt will appear asking if you'd like to send invitations to the new guests. Choosing Send will notify them about the event, giving them the opportunity to RSVP. This is a crucial step, as it also ensures that they have the event in their calendar, reducing the chances of last-minute scheduling conflicts. Next, let's cover how to remove a guest from your event. Again, start by opening the event from your Google Calendar and clicking the same pencil icon to access the editing page. Within the guest list on the right, locate the email of the guest you wish to remove. Beside their email, you'll notice a tiny X icon. Click this X to remove the guest from the event. Don't forget to hit Save once you've made your changes, ensuring your updates are recorded. When you opt to remove a guest, you'll again be prompted to choose whether to notify them of the change. You have the option to either send a notification, making them aware of their removal, or you can opt for Don't Send, which will remove them silently from the event. If you decide to notify the guest, they will be informed via email, and the event will automatically be removed from their calendar if you are the event organizer. And there you have it. Whether you're managing a small meeting or a big event, Google Calendar offers a straightforward way to keep track of participants. With just a few clicks, you can add or remove guests, helping ensure everyone you need is in the loop or out of it when necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps make your future scheduling a breeze.